Rupa and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while. I'm so sorry because I was so stuck with so many things. So I didn't have time, but I was like, I have to make a video. So it is around 7 p.m. So I was like, it's okay. Just don't mind the lighting, guys. I'm so sorry. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So yes guys, so looking at the title you would have understood what am I going to talk about. So yes, I'm just going to help you guys find out what skin type yours is. Like, is it oily, is it dry, or is it combination skin type? So I would explain that in detail a bit while. So before that, I would like to give you few tips to keep your skin really good and hydrated, and mainly it should love you, right? It should not hate you. So mainly is that you have to drink a plenty of water a day. Like, water literally purifies your stomach, and it just gives, it make you feel fresh. So mainly just try drinking a lot of water, or try to be hydrated, like drink good juice or something like coconut water, which is really very hydrating and which your skin really loves. Like, just try avoiding junk food. I know, like yeah, you can't just ignore junk food. It'd be like come and all of that. So just try avoiding it for your skin to love you back. So let's start. So first I would just try to explain you about oily skin. So I've written down notes so I don't just forget few points. So for oily skin, mainly what happens is like okay, so let me just tell how do you find out like what skin type yours is. So just wash your face, cleanse your face. After cleansing, just dab and then wait for a minute or two. Then you can feel oily around your cheek and maybe on your forehead. You will know, okay, your skin is oily type. So there would be reasons, like something like maybe your ancestors also had oily skin, or maybe because of the climate, or maybe it would be because of if like a pregnant woman, if she's pregnant, or maybe due to hormonal imbalance. Like in this generation, I feel like there is a lot of hormonal imbalance which is happening. So maybe because of that also your skin might become oily, or maybe from dry to suddenly oily. So you will be wondering how did it happen. Maybe it would be because of even hormonal imbalances. And even what happens is like maybe if the climate also is humid, if your climate is humid also, maybe your skin would change into oily. See, I stay in Bangalore, so sometimes when it's really very sunny, actually mine is dry skin type, but when it's really very sunny and it's very humid, I can feel like, okay, my skin is turning into oily. So maybe because of that also, you don't have to worry. And even main reason is like if you try to exfoliate your like you just don't it's not necessary for you to use exfoliating products which you feel like it's just trying to harm, it's trying to remove all. No, don't do it. Don't exfoliate your face. So these are the reasons. If you try to avoid all of this, maybe your skin will get settled. But what I would like to say you guys is like, just love what skin type yours is. Just love it. Don't be like, oh my skin is oily, oh my skin is dry. Yes, I understand, but don't. Just try to make a mindset like, yes, I just love myself, I love my skin, so it is just like that. So you have to see to that you drink a lot of water, keep yourself hydrated, as I told before, because these are the main important thing every individual should follow. So yes, so this is all about oily skin, and then now I would like to talk about combination. So how will you find out, okay, your skin is combination skin? So it after you wash your face, I told you know what is the process. So after that is done, you can feel only your nose and your forehead is a bit oily. So when you feel like that, and here it is dry, okay, so when you feel like that, yes, your skin is combination skin. So yes, so mainly whatever skin type yours is, never ever forget to wash your face at least twice a day. It is really very important, because few people will be like, okay, I'm staying at home, why should I wash my face? No, no matter what, you have to wash your face at least twice a day. So yes, and the main thing which is very very important, sunscreen. You have to apply sunscreen if you're indoor or outdoor. You have to, no matter what, because your skin needs protection, right? So it's very important to use sunscreen also. So combination skin, I told you, like how would you find out? So yes, this is the way you find out, okay, your skin is combination type. So according to that, you have to use products. Never ever 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 do this mistake of buying fake products just to try, because few fake products just make your skin even more worse, right? So just don't do it, okay? Just don't. So next, okay, so now I'm gonna talk about dry skin type. So dry skin, it's like mainly your skin, it depends, it's like you can feel here dry, and even on your forehead dry. So you will know, okay fine, my skin is a dry type. And even main thing, if you have a dry skin type, you shouldn't have long showers. Like don't be into shower a long time. Like few people like, okay, I feel it's really very like relaxing, but just try to avoid being in shower for a longer time. So this is the way you try to find out what skin type yours is. So I hope this has helped you. And one more thing is like, if you have a dry skin type, you can try steam, like you can see there. So you can use a steamer. You can buy in any medical shop or anywhere, even in Meesho and all of that. So you can buy, and steam really helps your skin. I don't know, like if you have a real bad dry skin, you can try using steamer. It is really, it makes your skin really hydrated, and your skin will start be like wow. So if you have any skin type, you can, no issues. But mainly I'm just trying to be like people who have a really dry skin, and you know, you feel like not feeling like even touching your face. So you can try steaming your face at least once in a week, or when you're free. Like I know in this busy schedule, but now it's COVID time and all are at homes, so you can just take time and try to make your skin start loving you. So so I would like to give in depth about all skin types. So I've told you before, like you have to use sunscreen. It's really very important. You shouldn't skip sunscreen. The second thing, you have to drink excess of water, which literally tries to clean your stomach. And like I've told you, like even in the beginning of the video, right? It's very important to make your skin love you, and it's very important that you stay hydrated always. If you have a dry skin type, it's not very much necessary to use a toner, but I personally have no issues of using a toner. I have dry skin type, so have no issues of using a toner. So if you are of a combination skin, or if you are of an oily skin, you can use a toner. So I personally use a Good Vibes Tea Tree toner. So basically what I sometimes use it, like after I wash my face at night, I would just spray it around and sleep. Like you should make the product get settled into your skin. And one more main thing I would like to say is like, you should regularly wash your makeup brushes, and no matter what, you shouldn't use others makeup brushes like after they've used this, and then you'll be like, okay fine, she's just my friend. No, you shouldn't use it, because their skin type is different and even yours is different, so infection would try to occur. So, and main thing most of them just forget, like after you've put on makeup, see to that before sleeping you just have to remove it and then sleep, because all the chemicals, when it gets absorbed into your skin, it literally worsens your skin. So yes, so this is what I really wanted to tell you guys. I wanted to help out people who didn't really know what skin type yours is. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope this was really informative video. So do like, share and subscribe, and show lots of love. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.